everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 573 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this product right here, and this is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara Mini. That is quite the name. But so I got this in a combo pack of MAC products a while back, but I was just looking it up on the Ulta website, and this mini version retails for $14, or you can buy the full-size version for $24. But what I thought was interesting was that this mini version was the lowest rated mascara from MAC on the Ulta website. I don't want that to sway my thoughts on this at all. However, the full-size version of this in Extreme Dimension mascara has pretty good ratings. So I'm not really sure why this one is pretty low rated, but I am very intrigued to try it out today. I've never tried out a MAC mascara before, so that's also pretty exciting for me. Definitely unique shaped packaging here with this handle. Ooh, and this is actually the type of mascara wand that I really like. And that's because it has the shorter plastic bristles rather than the longer brush-like bristles. And when I'm looking at this very closely, I'm noticing that the bristles are not completely even in length. So they get shorter towards the top. But so this is supposed to add everything that I want for my lashes. It's supposed to add curl, length, volume, and separation. So it's got really high claims based off of what I was reading about this product. So I hope it lives up to all of that. I'm gonna go right ahead and start applying. And this is also carbon black, so it should be a very true dark black shade, which it definitely does seem to be. A nice full black color. This is kind of a large wand, so that makes it a little bit tricky to use because I don't want to get mascara all over my eyelid. But this actually is working out really nicely so far. All of the lashes are getting coated, and I'm going over them, and I feel like it's adding that length and volume. And I did not curl my lashes before this, but they are looking pretty lifted. And I'm not really getting mascara on my eyelids, surprisingly. This is actually building up really, really nicely. Wow. Okay, this is looking so good. I feel like that was quick too. It's really built up, but the lashes are still very separated. Wow, they are looking so good and so full. Okay, look at that difference right now. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit while I go ahead and apply it to the lower lashes. Ooh, this wand is actually so good for the lower lashes. Like, I have no mascara on my under eye right now, but all of the lower lashes are coated. Wow. Like, I actually don't even think I need to layer up this eye anymore with more mascara because I love the effect on my lashes as they are. But why not go in with a little bit more and see what happens? Wow. it's still building up. The lashes are getting more volumized and still staying pretty separated, but I mean, you get to that point where you've just added so much mascara that the lashes have to kind of start sticking together, but wow. Seriously though, like so much lift and curl and length and volume. This is actually living up to all of those claims and looking so good. I'm really picky about mascara, but I actually am loving this. Wow, I've actually been having really good luck with mascaras lately, because that Maybelline mascara that I tried out recently is really good too. This one kind of is reminding me of that. So if you want to see my review on the Maybelline mascara, it was the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. I will have that video linked down below. The dramatic difference between my eyes right now, which looks like a dramatic makeup difference, and all it is this mascara. Let me give you a zoomed in view of the difference because I am so impressed. Yay, I get so happy finding a great mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye to get my final thoughts. But so I'll also give a quick update on how I've been adjusting to my new house and how I was so upset in one of my videos recently about being lonely and just not feeling settled. And I have to say, the second week of living in my new house has been a lot easier. I'm kind of surprised by how quickly I've been adjusting to my new living arrangements. So, haven't cried since. I'm not saying that I'm not going to cry anymore, but I'm really glad that it's gotten easier. But my house is definitely still like so empty. I've barely gotten any furniture yet, but eventually, hopefully sooner rather than later, I'll be all settled with the house set up exactly how I want it. And I'm excited to make videos too on like house decorating and DIY projects and things like that. So let me know if you have any ideas in the comments down below of videos that you want to see me do. Okay, so my final thoughts are that this mascara is extremely volumizing and so good, but you know what? If this mascara had the lowest ratings on the Ulta website for MAC mascaras, this just makes me need to try the other versions, because if I love this one, I can only imagine how amazing those other ones are going to be. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts are, and if you've tried out any of the other MAC mascaras and how those ones are, and especially compared to this one, because I think that this is really, really good. I'm loving how my lashes are looking, and that really does mean a lot because I've tried out so many mascaras and so many that I did not like and so many that are really good, and this one is definitely up there with some of the, I would say like top 5 mascaras I've ever tried. And I'm so happy to have this in my makeup collection. It's almost like a good problem to have, that now I have a lot of really great mascaras, and it's kind of hard to choose which one to use every day because I really only need, for example, this one mascara for my lashes to look exactly how I want them to look every day. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.